Hello and welcome back to JHN Travels. This time I'm just outside Johannesburg in the Kruger National Park, and I'm going to be going on a safari tomorrow. First, I'd like to apologise for looking like a seal or someone running the marathon, but it's best to protect yourself from malaria here, so you have to wear long stuff. But of course, this is Africa. I'm in a lodge. A minute walk from my private lodge, there's a waterhole. And at that waterhole, I don't know if you can see it, are some warthogs. Amazing. Now things are literally so cheap out here. A bottle of beer is £1.70, and a good steak is about 11 quid. I had an ostrich burger earlier with chips, onion rings, etc., and that was about £6 with a drink. Crazy prices. Now how does it work? The Kruger National Park is a huge national park, which is over there somewhere. This is on its own little reserve, so luckily there's no lions, cheetahs, etc. It only has one of the big five, and that's the buffalo. But there's also giraffe, zebra, warthogs, all in this reserve. Obviously this is mainly going to be photos because it is a safari, but this is the introduction anyway, so here we go. This is my time in the Kruger National Park in South Africa. Thank you. Hello and good evening. This is my lodge. That is the entrance. Here we have the beds. That's now my wardrobe. That is my bed. I have mosquito nets up there, all to myself. Luxury, lovely. Out here I'm going to have to be quiet. Toilet. Wardrobe. Shower. Mirror and sink. And that's the outside. It's lovely. But that is my lodge. So I'm going to put my mosquito net up and get a sleep for the night. I'll probably be up at 5 tomorrow. Oh, and this is the outside of the front. There's one intruder leopard that comes from the other national park into this one at night time. So you just have to watch out for him. There's no fences around these huts, so I was petrified walking tonight up the path, because there is a mystery leopard in here somewhere. Kruger National Park. I've seen some amazing animals. I'm not going to mention them all, but just to speak: elephant, giraffe, zebra, loads of different types of antelope, eagles, vultures. I've seen crocodiles, hippopotamuses, white rhino, very lucky to see that, hyena, all sorts of crazy animals. I just want to quickly explain. At one point there was a male bull elephant, a huge big guy, 200 metres away from us. The car spotted him and stopped. He then approached to 50 metres. He started knotting his trunk and twisting his feet. That means he was distressed. He then got to about 20 metres, started eating some plants. Then the guy told us to be silent, not to move. The elephant came within 5 metres of us. If he wanted to, he would have the strength to easily flip and crush that car. That was a very scary experience. We also had a hyena come about 2 metres within the car. Very creepy things, and again very dangerous. Amazing experience. Incredible to see these things in their natural habitats, and I'll never be able to explain it. You can go around one of these drivable zoos, but it's just not the same. Seeing an elephant standing there, naturally that's meant to be there, it's just insane, and I'll never be able to explain that, as I said. If you did like this video, please do give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe and turn your notifications to know when more videos are coming out. And finally, comment below on any questions you may have or any thoughts on this type of video. Thank you so much for watching my first stage in South Africa. I've got loads more to come with 3 more videos. Thank you so much.